humbled and truly honored by those branches that have indicated their support.
Mengameli we-ANC Cyril Ramaphosa uphumele ebaleni ngokuthi ukulungele kungenela isigaba sesibili sebumengameli.
The MPC decided to increase the repurchase rate by 75 basis points to 7% per year.
Mengameli welibhange ngodla kuleli lisitsha khanyaho umemetele kwenyusa kwemali mboleko futhi nga 75 basis points. Ishonile wena wekunena sikwamukele Tindzaba entesiswati lesitekushwa bukhoma like SABC1 asibuke nathi lethambe embili lamuhla. Mengameli we-ANC Cyril Ramaphosa uphumele ebaleni ngokuthi ukulungele kungenela isigaba sesibili sebumengameli. Ramaphosa uthi emagatsha atawuba nelive lekugcina ngalesikhathi emalunga avota kule nkomfa ye-15 yalenhlangano lenyanga letako.
Umengameli we-ANC Cyril Ramaphosa usezilungiselela ukwenqunquthela yokukhetha ubuholi beqembu kuzibandlela lapho agaqele khona ihlandla lesibili. uRamaphosa kanye noZweli Mkhize bazoncintiselana ngalesi sikhundla sobungameli weqembu.
That is a transparent ANC process that everyone has been aware of, and as for me, I'm humbled and truly honored by those branches that have indicated their support. And I was asked by the Electoral Committee whether I accept the nomination. I said yes, I humbly accept the nomination. And in the end, it is not for me to decide, it is for the branches and the delegates who will come to the conference. And let's leave the decision to the delegates.
uRamaphosa usakelwa yifunda eziyishagalombili kanye uMkhize usakelwa isifunda esisodwa iKwaZulu-Natal esiyisona esikhulukazi. uRamaphosa uthi usebenzise ihlandla lakhe lokuqala ukulungisa iqembu kanye nokuqeda uqhekeko ngaphakathi.
Why do I deserve a second term? I think that should be a question that should be really asked to the delegates, because they are the ones who have nominated me. But as for me, I think what we've been doing in the past few years is to build a foundation to rebuild our country. When we came in, a lot of things were damaged. Things were not working as well as they should. A number of our institutions had been captured.
Abaholi beqembu abasha bazokhetha ngosuku lokuqala lenqunquthela lapho uMkhize esigaqele isikhundla sika Ramaphosa. Ngingusabukela Maseko ngibekele izindaba ze-SABC eGoli.
Wesule kubeni likhansela le-ANC Ekurhuleni Masina lokuqinisekiswa esigungu lesetulu lesibuke kusebenza kwemalunga alenhlangano esifundzeni seGauteng.
Masina besola ngathelelana kahle emandi ne-ANC Gauteng kamuva kulandzela tinkulumo letitsinza Masina kumkhandlo masipala weEkurhuleni sigungu lesetulu se-ANC lesibuke kusebenza kwemalunga alenhlangano eGauteng sihlangene naMasina kuleli viki ukutfola sisombululo kulolidzaba kulandzela umyalelo wesigungu lesetulu se-ANC eGauteng. Masina lebekangisodolobha masipala weEkurhuleni utawuxolisa isiveni kulandzela kungahloniphi umyalelo wesigungu lesetulu salenhlangano kulesifundza ngelidzaba lokusebenzisana kwetinhlangano tepolitiki kuleli dolobha. Masina nyala utawunaka luhlelo lwakhe lokungenela sikhundla sokuba ngumgcini mafo ANC velonke kunkomfa ye-15 yalenhlangano. Kusengakacaci ukuthi utawuqhubeka nokuba ngusihlalo we-ANC Ekurhuleni kudzimade kuphelele nkomfa.
I-ANC eGauteng kwamukele Wesule esikhundleni kwasihlalo wayo wesigodi uMnikati Masina njengelikhansela lekuyendvu letawendeke ekupheleni kwenyanga letako. Kwesula kwaMasina kuta ngemva kokuthi leli cembu limcondzise tigwegwe kulandzela kweca umyalo we-ANC wekuthi kuvotelwe nkululeko dunga we-EFF njengasodolobha waseKurhuleni. Njengoba Masina sekaphumile, i-ANC ne-EFF titawuchubeka nekukhulumisana ngenhloso yokufika esivumelwaneni sokuhola ngekubambisana eKurhuleni naseJozi.
Emva kokuba ngusodolophu wamasipala wase-Ekurhuleni isithuba seminyaka emihlanu, uMnikati Masina uthathe isigqibo sobana makayeka kwakwelibhunga ngoku nanjengenkokheli yeqhugula. LokaMasina sithetha nje ukufuna ukuba ngunongxowa jikelele we-ANC, kodwa ke ubekwa ityala ngokuzalelendle phakathi kwe-ANC ne-EFF ukuqhogana kulo masipala. Kulindeleke kokuba acele uxolo kumalungu e-ANC esidlangalaleni.
And the PwC unconditionally accepted the apology and accepted the content of the letter, which he also added in that letter that he will resign as a leader of our council caucus in Ekurhuleni as of the 31st of December, and that was also accepted.
uLisufi ugxeka iDA ngokuzalela endle ukusebenza kwabamasipala ukanti ke uthi uza kudibana nosodolophu uChichilili kweliphondo ukuzama ukulungisa isimo somasipala.
Because we need stability. We can't attract talent if we have this kind of instability. You can't attract the best skilled workers if you have this kind of instability.
Ukuba ngaba ke uMasina uyalahla njengosihlalo wengingqi yaseKurhuleni, nyanzeleke ukuba kubekho inhlanganiso yodwa ezawukhetha ozawungena esihlalweni ngokukhawuleza nje. Ndingabongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.
Iqembu lelusha lwe-ANC eNtshonalanga Kapa lwendo elibhido lokumiswa kwesinqumo senkantolo yemtsetfo-sisekelo lesinikete umbulali waChris Hani Waluś i-parole. Leli qembu belibambe umshuco ngesikhathi sesidlo sasemini ngaphandle kwenkantolo lephakeme eNtshonalanga Kapa lapho letfulele khona litiko letebulungiswa incwadi tikhalo ehhovisi lemengameli wemajaji ase-Ntshonalanga Kapa.
Inhlangano yebantfu labasha ihlangene ngenhloso yokushintsha isijubo senkantolo yemtsetfo-sisekelo njengoba bathi kukhululwa kwaWaluś ngashwele kutawuba nemthelela lomubi kutakhamuti takuleli. Labantfu labasha bathi Waluś na-Clive W. Lewis bebabambisene nalabanye kubulala Hani bebekahola umkhonto wesizwe nenhlangano yemakomanisi SACP ngamhlati 10 ngenyanga yamabasa 1993.
Ezi zigqibo sizivisa kabuhlungu kakhulu and sizikhumbuza lamini uComrade Khrizani wayebulewe ngayo. Sisazi ukuthi uKhrizani wayengabulawa kuba enguKhrizani kodwa wayebulawelwa izimvo zakhe zento yoba kuguqulwe indlela abantu abaphila ngayo, abantu baphile ngokulinganayo.
Bathi inkantolo yemtsetfo-sisekelo ibuka ihlangothi lekukhululwa kwaWaluś kundlula bulungiswa bahani. Kushiye incwadi tikhalo lapho bafuna ukuthi kube nemhlangano emkhatsini kwabo nenhloko yemajaji Raymond Zondo.
Silapha namhlanje singamakomanisi lomzantsi Afrika ingakumbi kule ngingqi eNtshona Koloni ukuza uxhasa i-ANC Youth League. Siyixhasa ngezizathu ezibalulekileyo. Sokuqala sesoba sinenjongo zokukhusela umthetho womzantsi Afrika. Singawukhuseli kuye nabani, sokukhusela kuwo uqobo ngoba esi sigwebo sithathwe i-Constitutional Court sokukhulula umbulali kaKhrizani sisigwebo esinefuthe elinobalibi kubantu belomzantsi Afrika.
Lenhlangano ithi kufanele kube nelivoti lokuvotela ukuthi angakhulula Waluś ejele.
Advocate Geoff Blanda lomele mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi alikathathele etulu uhlelo lekumisa emsebenzini umvikeli womphakathi Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane nakulalela sicelo sekubuyeketwa kwesinqumo enkantolo yemtsetfo-sisekelo sekuthi ingabe inkantolo lephakeme yaseKapa yenda liphutha yini nobe cha ekutheni kumiswe Mkhwebane. Blanda uthi lo hlelo lwaqala ngendlovu lenkulu kanzi ke Mkhwebane waniketwa isikhathi lesanele kwentathetfulo. Mkhwebane wamisa mhlati imfica enyangeni enhlaba emva kwemalanga lamabili athumele emengameli Ramaphosa imibuto ngelidzaba lwephalaphala lapho kuthiwa abethinzeka khona.
There can be no serious suggestion that the process of suspension was hasty or hurried. It started on the 18th of March 2022. That's when the President informed Advocate Mkhwebane that he was considering suspending her and invited her to make representations. Second, the main reason the matter was not brought to a head earlier was that Advocate Mkhwebane requested and the President granted several extensions for the filing of her representations.
Advocate Stephen Patlenda lomelete uthina ngabe inkantolo yomtsetfo-sisekelo itfola ukuthi umengameli Ramaphosa uthatha lihlangothi lesinqumo sakhe sekumisa Mkhwebane kusho sake isinqumo kufanele sithathwe ngilomnye noma kaluthunyelwe njengomengameli. Patlenda usike ingcithi loludzaba lomkhwebane akusiko ukuthi umiswa emsebenzini kepha wamiswa ngumuntu lekungakafanele ukuthi amise.
It could never be an appropriate remedy because the high watermark of the public protector's case is not that the wrong decision was made, it's that the decision was made by the wrong person. Now, if this court accepts that, then the remedy is to ensure that the decision is made by the right person. Whether that's the Deputy President, whether it's someone delegated by the President, I don't know.
Ikomiti lebukete kuchumana ePhalamende lenikete umsebenzi wekucasha emalunga e-e-bhodi ye-SABC yende sishukumiso semabito ebantfu labalishumi nakubili lebona bafanelwe ngilomsebenzi lokukulandzela kuphothulwa kwelihlolo lwalaba lebentiwa lihlolo lwati lwetikhundla temalunga e-bhodi. Lenhlangano lesakatela sive beyingenayo i-bhodi isikhathi lesingetulu kwenyanga ngemva kwekuphela kwesikhathi semalunga phambilini.
Ixesha lokusebenza kwebhodi egqithileyo lafikelela esiphelweni ngomhla we-15 ku-Okthobha. Ukususela ngoko ijelo losasazo lwe-SABC belingenantloko ethatha uxanduva. Kuvele ePalamente kule veki ukuba usomaqhuzu we-SABC zanganikwe magunya ngokusemthethweni ukuba abe yintloko ethatha uxanduva kunongxowa kazwelonke kuba kungekho bhodi. Le komiti incinci ithi ijonge izinto eziliqela kuqukwa ukuqhubekeka nokuba kwibhodi, isini, abantu abatsha kunye nendlela abaqhube ngayo abagqatswa ngexesha lothotho lodliwano-ndlebe. Ibhodi entsha iza kuba ngunoma kulinganwe ka-50-50 wesini ukuba amagama yamkelwa ikomiti kwakunye ne-National Assembly. Le komiti incinci ichonge amagama amathathu angamalalela xa kunokwenzeka ukuba abo bachongiweyo bangakwazi ukusebenza.
We can agree then that we have dealt with the names. We are also putting the motivation that in the case of challenges, that the consideration would be on the reserve names.
I agree with you.
Xa la magama emkelwe aza kuthathwa asiwe kwi-National Assembly ukuba amkelwe phambi kokuba athunyelwe kumongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba abatyumbe. Ndingululama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Kanzi kuletinye nasibuye titolo.
I don't think they should be banned. It's not the dog's fault.
Seyiphinze yabulala lomunye umfana inja leyatiwa nge-pitbull. Bukele Tindzaba tesiswati like SABC wanasanza ngena siyakwemukela. Kuhlasela kuyachubeka kanzi kwenyuke ngalokuphinzile kuhlaselwa kwabantu kwalabasikati kusukela ekubulaleni ekotameni kubulala nekushaywa lokumangalisa ukuthi abantu labalinganiselwa ku 10,000 bagagadlele emkhathini kwenyanga yakholwane nenyoni kulomnyaka losetulu. Luphiko lwama-Hawks lutimisele kucetsa bugebengu lobuhambisana nekukhicitwa kwagesi ka-Eskom esiteshini lesiphehla gesi seCamden eMpumalanga. Simeon Shongwe waboshwa evikini leliphelile ubukene nemacala lamathathu lafaka ekhathi kuthikameta kusebenza kwetakhiwo ngcandi nalo kwagesi.
A 28-year-old suspect was arrested in the early hours of the morning on Tuesday, the 22nd of November. He was arrested on charges of fraud and theft of Eskom's coal. The truck which he was driving was subcontracted to collect coal from Simbiti coal mine in Fontaine near Belfast and deliver it to Camden Power Station operated by Eskom in Ermelo.
Umnikati wenja lebitwa nge-pitbull lelume umfana loneminyaka munye yambulala e-East London itolo no-Linfori uthi utawubambisana nebemtsetfo ngephakathi banzakanye nalesihlakalo uthi le mfana bekadlala ebaleni lakhe ngalesikhathi alunywa ngilenja.
Lesinye isilwane lesifuywe ekhaya sesingumbulali. Umniyo uthi uyatisola ngalesihlakalo angeke aphindze afuye i-pitbull.
Yes, I agree. My dog took her life. But the thing is, I have, as I say, I've only had him for 2 years. If he was a puppy, I would have brought him up totally different.
Lokuhlaselwa kwakamuva kufaka emafutha kule nkulumombikiswano lesematheni lethi adingafuywa letinja.
The debate about other breeds doesn't hold water because all the attacks that have occurred in South Africa are associated with this particular breed, the pitbull. All the children that have died, all the victims that are within our communities are victims of a particular breed, the pitbull.
Volotwe phase sandla se-SPCA kanti linani letinja letimikiswa e-SPCA liyenyuka.
any dog has the potential of attacking its owner. Unfortunately, with your power breeds, with your larger breeds, they are much stronger and they have a better instinct of taking down a larger prey. And as soon as a trigger triggers them, it is possible that they can see the person in front of them as prey.
Liqala likubulala ungakahlosi lisaphenywa.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngesiphakamiso semtsetfo ukuthi kuvale kufuywa kwetinja tema pitbulls kulelive nawo ke umbono wakhe yalandzela.
Hayi khona ngivumelana nawo lo mthetho ativalwe letinja ativalwe Nkosi yami sekwanele.
Uma kuthiwa azivalwe ezingabe saba khona mina ngihambisana nabo yebo ziyawenza umonakalo zinolaka ziyabulala kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi mangana umthetho zingafuywa unombani kulawuleke ukufika kwazo ngoba zona ziyakuletha ukuphepha emakhaya ikakhulukazi ngobugebengu bukhuphuke kangaka nje.
Vele umsebenzi walezi nje ama pitbull awukho umsebenzi wawo ngaphandle nje ukuthi ibulala abantwana. Ngicabanga ukuthi ivale nomuntu ozotholakala ayifuyile kumele ukuthi aboshwe ngoba ziyabulala lezi nje.
Ngaba umthetho omuhle ngempela ukuthi lezi nje ngempela zivalwe ukufuya emakhaya ngani ngoba sezikhombisile ukuthi nazo izilwane kumele ngabe ehlala nje indlela ezihlungane ebulela ngakhona abantu ngempela nje umthetho awuphasi kuthelele zingahlali nabantu ingqondo endle zohlala nezinye izilwane.
Kusento lesihle kakhulu leso ngoba letinja ingoti kakhulu emphakathini umsebenzi wato angubuni.
Umphakathi sihlalela uvalweni asisaphephile ngoba usuku nosuku uzwe isigameko esishaqisayo esenziwe lezi zinja lezi.
Lona ke ngumbono mbukeli e-SABC yangeke iphaswe kiphendulela ngawo. Mengameli welibhange ngodla kuleli lisitshakhanyarho umemetele kwenyuswa kwemalimboleko futhi nga-75 basis points lokuta njengoba lichubeka nekuba setulu lizinga lempilo eNingizimu Afrika kanye nemnotfo londekendeke.
The MPC decided to increase the repurchase rate by 75 basis points to 7% per year with effect from the 25th of November 2022. As usual, the repo rate projection from the quarterly projection model remains a broad policy guide, changing from meeting to meeting in response to new data and risks.
Kanzike nasibuka timakethe tetimali ilirandi lehlile nalicatsaniswa netimali takulamanye mave. Sitbea lapha ke tala muhle nasibuye titolo sikhona simo selitulu kanti ke kusasa sikhona futhi sidonetfula tona sisashisa isale kahle.